I am Jome Bulyanday, and I am assigned to report about the techniques under the descriptive method of research. There are three techniques under the descriptive method of research. These are the survey, case study, and the content analysis. Survey is known as a normative survey, facts, finding studies with adequate and accurate interpretations under to collect demographic data. Data are also analyzed, organized, and interpreted. Survey is a study in which we can observe in different establishments such as restaurants, food chains, or anywhere. These are the given questionnaires in a piece of paper in which, for example, customers were given their given questions whether they were satisfied based on the employees, services, and on the food being served on them if they were satisfied. And the case study, it was comprehensive, complex, detailed, and in-depth study and analyze an individual, institution, group, or community. Case study is more an investigation to know why these things or events happened, and they want to dig in deeper information about something or events. Differences between survey and a case study. Survey is a group survey is usually large, unlike case study may involve and usually involve one person, family, small group, or small community. Survey is having a large number of respondents because it aims to generalize based on the population. And case study, it focuses on one person because it focuses to answer how or why these things or event happen. That's why, because they only focus on deeper information and they want to gather informations based on how these things happen. The number of aspects or variables in life of the group surveyed is limited. Unlike case study, usually also aspects or variables in life are included. Cause and effect relationship are not given emphasis in the survey. Unlike case study, finding causes of certain phenomena. Survey is more in the focuses on the subjects like their satisfaction based on the services of employee. Unlike case study, they focuses on the deeper meaning or deeper informations. It is more likely like an investigation on how these things happen. Curiosity, interest, or just to determine norm and status may initiate a survey. And in case study, representative is not important. Survey is more in generalizations. So it compares to the standard of the subject. Like for example, naa ka sa restaurant in which mga dato. Mag-focus ang imong standard based on the standards imong mga subjects nga mga dato sad. Mo ni survey. Only conditions or practice present during the survey are considered except in the comparative studies when the present conditions are compared with conditions in the past. In case study, data about the case from the birth or given origin from the future are considered. Ang case study, it focuses, it dig deeper, meaning, so it can also tackles about the past happenings in order to answer questions why these things happen. This could also tackle about the past happenings or the events of something in order to answer the questions they want to come up. Advantages of survey approach over the case study approach. Survey reveals what is typical, average, or normal against which the survey or performance of an individual can be judged or evaluated. The result of a survey may be used for predictions. Because of the larger number of people being asked by the questions, this serves as generalization based on the responses. Survey makes possible the formation of generalization because the sample has a high degree of representativeness. The more number of people being asked or studied, this could also give more informations. Survey reveals problems for which timely remedial measures may be instituted. Survey is not timely, unlike case study, because case study is more on the depth informations on it is an investigations and it must take time. Unlike survey, it was given and answered quickly. It is easy to get respondents for a survey. It is easy to get respondents for a survey because these are easy to be answered and people won't hesitate to answer because somehow it's just like a checklist in which it is so easy to answer. The instrument for gathering data are easy to determine, construct, validate, and administer. Survey is statistically analyzed in order to come up with meaningful conclusions. So through those responses given by the respondents, these were calculated or analyzed in order to come up answers based on their concerns or questions.